not fish and chips. So, yeah, a decent or with nail and eye. Do I have to sing it? Let it go. Not fish and chips. So, yeah, a decent Thai or Chinese or gurkha. A vet. That didn't go well, did it? Two cups of coffee. See into the future. Don't care as long as it's on my own. Animals. I would press the red button, but because red's probably more exciting. Cats. So, Morgan Freeman, Donald Trump, Jesus and the Devil. It's a waste of cinematography time. I can confidently tell you I'm 28, because that is the age I am at. No chocolate. Oh, but then also cheese. Well, both, in equal measures. I was proudly presented with a plaque to inform the world that I was McDonald's Crew Member of the Month, South East Region, in 1992.